So for today's video, paano gumawa ng account sa Maya? Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Another video, another tutorial. Una, punta lang tayo sa ating Play Store. Search natin ang Maya or Maya Bank. Then, itong logo na to na Maya na kulay green. Install lang natin to guys. Then, pag na-install na, click open. Then, mag-open na yung application. And then, allow lang natin to guys. Then, welcome to Maya. Read nyo lang yon. Then, protect account, location, okay nyo lang. Then, continue. And while using account, kailangan naka-on yung inyong location. Then, start an account. Kung wala kayo guys, SIM card, kung nasa ibang bansa kayo, click nyo lang yung Timbo PH. Pwede kayo dyan makapag-register. Magpipill up lang kayo ng form. Then, kung meron naman na kayong number, no need na nun. Then, start an account na lang. Then, fill up. Then, lagyan natin yung personal information, pangalan, apelyido, at saka middle name and email. Then, continue. Then, lagyan natin yung ating number. So, then, after that, maglagay tayo ng ating password. Then, continue. Wallet. Then, continue again. Then, data personalization. Save lang natin to guys. Then, magsasend yan ng OTP. Enter lang natin yung OTP natin. Then, verify. Yung OTP nga pala guys, magsasend yan sa inyong number. Doon sa ginamit yung number or doon sa email. Then, verify lang natin to guys. So, after natin ma-verify, you're in. Welcome to Maya. So, ayan na. Verify now. Click natin yung verify now. Then, dito mag-fill up tayo. Ay, maglalagay tayo ng ating ID. Then, yung mga ID na mga accepted, yung mga valid ID like Philippine National ID, driver, UMID, passport, postal, PRC, and etc. Bahala na kayo kung ano yung available na ID na gagamitin nyo. Piliin nyo lang dito, then click. Kailangan nyo lang itong picturean, yung back and front ng ID. So, ang ID gagamitin ko is UMID. So, click lang natin yung ID na pipiliin natin, available natin. And then, ika-capture nga pala nito guys, yung front and back. So, ayan, hindi ko na naipakita yung pag-capture ko ng aking back ng ID ko. So, yun, may instruction naman yun guys. And then, use this photo. Tapos, get ready to take a selfie yon, yung mukha na natin ang kailangan nating i-capture para ma-verify kung yung ID and yung face natin is match, kung ano ba, same. So, tell us about yourself. Ayan, lalagyan natin yung ating details. So, kung ano yung trabaho nyo, ilagay nyo din dito guys. Fill upan nyo lang kung kayo accountancy, businessman, or whatever. So, etc. Kayo nang bahala dyan. Then, yung current address, lagay natin yung place of birth, current address, mga personal question lang naman to guys. Personal details, fill upan nyo lang yan guys. And then, sa pinakababa, meron dun okay, and continue lang natin. All good, tatanungin kayo kung all good, kung hindi, review nyo ulit. Then, tatanungin din kayo, are you a US person? Kung hindi naman kayo US person, okay, not na lang ilagay ninyo. Then, back to home na tayo guys. So, dito nga pala guys, under review pa yung ating bank. Mag-i-email yan or mag-message yan sa number natin kung tayo ay approved na. So, resend validation code via SMS. Click natin yan guys. And then, ayan na, magsisend na siya ng verification kung okay na. Away sum we have increased, ganyan na, etc. And then, ayun, approved na ang ating account. Verified na yan guys. So, mabilis lang siyang ma-verify guys. Mag-i-email agad siya kung na-verify na yung account natin. So, hindi siya katulad ng GCash. Ang GCash, one day sometimes bago siya ma-approve. So, yun lamang guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the button bell for my next video. Bye!